guys, so today I'm going to be doing my iGirl bundle unboxing. I'm super excited for this video because I've been wanting an iGirl bundle for a really long time and I finally got my hands on one. So yeah, I kind of just want to jump right into it. Sorry if there's noise, everyone's awake right now, but I just could not wait any longer to open it. So yeah, so I'm just going to read the message that I sent her after I purchased it, just so you guys can get an idea of what I kind of wanted her to go for. So I was saying, I describe my style as colorful clown meets 90s goth. I love rainbows, color block, and funky patterns, but I also love black chains and fishnets. I'm super inspired by 90s club kid, mall goth, and colorful 80s fashion. Lately I've been super into little goth on the prairie looks, like Kinder Horror baby doll dresses paired with fishnet tops / tights and goth accessories. I told her I really like statement pieces and I don't really like plain things. And I told her my style inspirations are her, Unif, and some other Instagram people. I love accessorizing with hair clips, necklaces, and backpacks. And I told her that my favorite item she's ever put out is her new spiked choker. I gave her my Instagram, and I also told her the items I already have, like some of her jewelry items that I already have. And then I gave her my measurements, and I also told her that I'm not super picky, my style's all over the place, so just have fun with it. And yeah, that's basically it. So I spent $150 on the bundle. I didn't pay for shipping because I bought her coffin pendant, and she was doing a 20% off sale, so it was only $20, and the shipping is free on when you buy like multiple items. So I guess that's a tip: if you want to buy a bundle, just buy another one of her items too, because you'll get something out of it and you'll probably pay less than the shipping, because yeah, it was $22. Also, I got it super fast. I bought it on Sunday and it's Thursday, so yeah, the shipping was really fast. And even on her thing it says 2 weeks, but I got it in just a couple days. But yeah, I've basically just been wanting one for a really long time, and I know that her bundles have been getting a lot better because she's only been doing 20 a week, so she has more time to focus on them, which is really good for her. Yeah, I'm just gonna open now. I'm so excited. Yeah, I should have brought scissors, but it's okay. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, here's what it looks like. Wow. See a lot of different things in here. And I'm gonna read the note last because I don't want to spoil it. I'm so excited. It's her cute picture of her. Okay, I'm basically just gonna pull everything out like one by one, and then after I'll read the note. Oh, it's like a yellow halter top. It's cool. I don't have any halter tops actually. I like this color a lot. Oh my god, this is so cute. Chucky shirt, oh my god. And the new Chucky movie's coming out. I'm gonna definitely wear this. That's so cute. Oh, this is so cute. Bazooka bubblegum shirt. This is like definitely something I'd wear. All of these actually I would really, oh my god, yeah, it looks so cute. And on the back it says, "Don't burst my bubble." This is so cute. Oh my god. There's a lot of things in here. Oh, this is so nice. This is so pretty. And I can wear this like underneath t-shirts. So cute. Oh. Oh, I don't have a white simple grommet belt like this. Well, I have one with stars, but yeah, this is really cool. I love grommet belts. I have so many. And these, oh, the revolt pants. These are so cool. They have like a leopard print detail. Wow, these are really nice. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. She gave me so many things. I'm really surprised. So far, everything that I've seen, I would definitely buy, like 100%. And then there's this box. Cute Bratz style sticker. I love this little bag. So cute. Oh my gosh, she gave it to me. This thing is like on top of all this other stuff she gave me, and she gave me this, because she gave me, that's like 3 outfits right there. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is like my favorite thing. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is, and it's really nice, like it's heavy, like it's very good quality. Okay, so my camera stopped recording. I think it was when I opened this box, hopefully. But yeah, so I got this super cool ball chain pant chain. Yeah, I actually had one like this in my likes on Depop. That's really cool. And she gave me the Anarchy clips. So cute. I totally forgot about these. These are so adorable. And then she also gave me little coffin stud earrings. How cute. And there's also another sticker and temporary tattoo. Okay, yeah, and that's everything. So I'm gonna read the note now. I think she forgot the coffin pendant that I ordered, but I'm sure if I message her, she'll send it out right away. I'm like so in love with this bundle. It's so cute. Okay, so note says, "Hi Angel, I was super excited to style this custom look for you. I just wanted to take this moment to tell you how I'd pull it together from head to toe. To accessorize, since you mentioned on Depop DMs that your fave item is the new iGirl spike choker, we obviously had to bless you with that bad boy. As well as the coffin studs and anarchy hair clips. I felt that this combination of goodies was perfect for your theme and will look so cute on you. For your bod, I included 2 different options for you. For your first fit, I went for a very 90s goth meets colorful clown hottie look option that I'm 100% obsessed with. Pop on that to die for Chucky baby tee paired with those incredible deadstock hot red cheetah print revolt flares. Can we take a moment for this pairing? Wow. Seriously, that is exactly something I'd wear. I decided to throw in another top option that you can pair with the flares as well. The bright yellow halter top from my American Deadstock capsule collection looks darling paired with the pants. Pop on the iGirl spike choker with this fit to pull everything together. Swoon. Yeah, I actually really like the combination of red and yellow together, so. To spice up this look, I also included a classic white grommet belt plus that badass ball chain, pant chain that you can add to the pants for an extra mall gothy touch, hee. And 2, this second look option is so cute, the perf mix of clown and goth. Slip into that stunning red slip dress with the vintage bazooka bubblegum baby tee layered underneath. Yeah, that would actually look really cute. I peeped tons of lingerie dresses in your Depop likes, so I thought that you'd be super into this look. Complete the fit with the spiked choker plus anarchy hair clips. All of the pieces that I included are super interchangeable so that you can mix and match based on your mood. Yeah, that's really true because I can seriously make probably like 3 different outfits based on just these items alone. So, and I can pair them with obviously anything else that I have in my wardrobe. So, yeah, I love that they're all really interchangeable. I would def complete the looks with your fave combat boots. Duh. Yeah, that's exactly how I'd pair them with Thank you for trusting my creativity, and I hope you enjoy the look. Eternal love, Bella. Yeah, so I am super happy with my bundle. I know that a lot of times people are kind of unhappy with the bundles, but I don't know. I think it's pretty hard to style people that you've never met in real life, but I'm in love with this bundle. Like seriously, every single one of these things are things that I would buy for myself. So yeah, I'm also going to be doing the try-on, so yeah, stay tuned for that. But yeah, so that's it. As I already said like a million times, I'm super happy with this bundle. I definitely think it was worth it. And then also keep in mind too, like you're getting outfits, and then you're also kind of paying for the experience for like someone to style you too. You know? Yeah, it feels like Christmas basically. Yeah. Thank you to Bella and Ruby for this. I think they absolutely killed it. Like, I would definitely wear all of these things. But yeah, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.